Hi there, welcome to this video. Looking to add a personal touch to your home while staying on a budget? In this video, we shall show you a wide variety of art and craft decor ideas for home that are perfect for anyone who loves to create. Whether you are a seasoned DIY enthusiast or complete beginner, these projects are designed to be simple, fun, and affordable. Let's bring some creativity into your home. First, let's see unique wall art ideas. Transform blank walls with custom artwork like canvas, paintings, paper collages, and fabric wall hangings. Discover how to use stencils, abstract painting techniques. Secondly, creative centerpieces. Make your dining table stand out with handmade centerpieces. Use mason jars, candles, seasonal flowers, and even every objects to design eye-catching table decor. Next, upcycled and repurposed decor. Learn how to turn old jars, bottles, and furniture into gorgeous home decor pieces. Get inspired by eco-friendly projects that are as kind to the planet as they are to your wallet. Seasonal and holiday decor ideas. Create festive decorations for holidays like Christmas, Halloween, Thanksgiving, and more. DIY wreaths, garlands, and ornaments will bring seasonal charm to your home. Now, functional art and storage solutions. Combine beauty and practicality with DIY storage ideas such as painted boxes, decorative baskets, and handmade shelves. These projects not only enhance your home's look but also help you stay organized. Personalized touches for every room. Learn how to craft unique decor pieces for different areas of your home. Living room. Throw pillows, photo frames, and wall displays. Bedroom. Dream catchers, DIY headboards, or cozy light fixtures. Kitchen. Creative utensils holders, spice racks, or herb planters. Question is, why DIY art and craft decor? Actually, it's affordable, sustainable, customizable, fun, and relaxing. Save money by creating your own home decor instead of buying expensive items from stores. Repurpose and recycle materials to reduce waste. Add a personal touch to your space with colors, designs, and themes that reflect your style. Crafting is a great way to unwind while creating something beautiful and functional. Now you can see materials and tools you will need. Most of the projects in this video require simple and accessible materials, including paper, fabric, and cardboard, paints, brushes, and markers, scissors, glue, and tape. Everyday household items like jars, bottles, and old wood. It's perfect for any home style, whether it's rustic and farmhouse, modern and minimalist, bohemian and eclectic. These DIY decor ideas can be tailored to match any aesthetic. Think reclaimed wood, burlap, and natural elements. Sleek design with natural colors and cunning lines. Vibrant patterns, macrame, and unique textures. Stay connected with our crafting community. If you love these ideas, we would love to hear from you. Like and subscribe. Support our channel for more tea inspiring DIY videos.